Expressway North.
In that polka dot bikini, girl. Hey, this what I wanna do.
Take off that polka dot bikini.
In 2.9 miles, take the exit to merge onto FL 836 East toward Miami International.
The love of my life. You didn't get me no rice? We can share. I didn't know you wanted some, babe. I'm sorry.
I do want some.
Eat your taco. He's such a plain Jane. Look at me over there.
What sauce did you get on yours?
So we just ate at Coyo Taco, the best tacos ever. But look who we found. Food God. So me and Jevin are having the best time here. I love Miami Wynwood. It's so artsy fartsy and it's just so beautiful. And if you haven't got the chance to come here, it's really pretty. Like this wall, it's just dope, and it's just a bunch of abstract. Follow me on Instagram, Bailey Elizabeth Austin. This is Jevin. He's my boyfriend of 3 years. Follow him on Instagram, Jevin Rankin. And we just travel a lot. We like to travel different places. We lived in Florida, Vero Beach for about a year. And we just ate at Coyo Taco, which had the best freaking tacos ever. Oh my gosh, sorry, we just are looking at this Jeep wagon. That is my dream car. Oh my God. Well, we're about to go to the ice cream museum, and it is awesome, and we can't wait to bring you on this journey. So Hey guys, we're here at the Museum of Ice Cream in Miami, and we can't wait to take you on this journey with us. So, let's go. This year, because it's the best year.
Windows up, hands on the clutch. Now it's on your butt, bad girl. But your daddy thinks that's in your past, girl. Sweet dreams, mix that ice cream with the gasoline, bubble gum. You could get it poppin' with like anyone. Everyone watching us like TSA and carry-ons. Girl, I bought that Perry on just to put that cherry on. Talk with it. Yeah, she my cherry on top with it. Yeah, to the top with it. Yeah, she my cherry on top with it. Yeah, she got the cake for it. Ooh, with the cherry on top with it. Yeah, and I'm a baby for four with the cherry on top with it. On top with it. Talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she the one. Talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she the one. Talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she the talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she the one. Talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she the talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she the one. Talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she. Strawberries in my wrist like I'm suicidal. I could give you that verse, but it ain't the Bible. I've been busy all day singing 9 notes at the fucking in between my recitals. Now the show's so big they got sideshows. Everyone watching us like TSA and carry-ons. Girl, I bought that Perry on just to put that. Yeah, she got the cake for it. Ooh, with the cherry on top with it. Yeah, and I'm a baby for four with the cherry on top with it. On top with it. Talk with it. Yeah, she the one. Talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she the one. Talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she the one. Talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she the one. Talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she my cherry one. Talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she my cherry one. Talk with it. Talk. Yeah, she got the cake for it. Cherry on top with it.
Go because it's awesome and it's hands down the coolest thing ever.
Definitely worth it.
Yeah, it's definitely worth your money. So if you're in Miami, stop by the ice cream museum because it's definitely really cool and they give you treats. If you like succulents, this is the store. Oh my gosh, it's called Plant the Future. It is so cute.
It's safe for your skin too. She's on your skin. I was spraying on myself all the time.
Aww. That is so cool. Oh wow. Yeah.
No touching.
Look at the Star Wars.
There's prices on the tag.
So this is only $1,040, but it's super cute. It's got little bunnies in it. We have to buy one, Jevin.
$52.
That's pretty.
I like those little dudes though.
literally my dream. This is so cool. Mojitos. Show the ceiling. Hey guys, it's day 2 in Miami. We are currently in Wynwood. We went, took some more pictures, but the saddest thing happened at our Airbnb. Our host, his wife died. Just freak accident out of nowhere. Just like literally, we came home from not home, but we came back to the Airbnb yesterday from, where were we?
Here.
Wynwood?
We had dinner here, and then we went back.
Yeah, we went back, and there was another guy there, and he just was talking to us, and you know, he was like, hey, you know, I'm here taking care of the Airbnb business. The mom died, and there was an old lady there that was there the day before, and it was his mom. And so I was like, oh no, his mom died? And he was like, no, his wife. And I was like, oh my gosh, like that's so crazy. And it was on Mother's Day of all days. Like, his wife dies, and his daughter's only 25 years old and lives there too, and it just broke my heart. And I was like, oh my gosh, what do we do? And they had family over, and it's been an emotional like ride, and it was just really sad. And we went to go get dinner, and I saw the daughter, and my dad passed away, and so I just told her, you know, it does get better over time, and she just think about the memories that she did have with her mom, and to be grateful for all the memories that she got with her, and not to be upset with the ones that she's not going to get, and to, you know, the only people who are ever going to understand what she's going through is the family that knew her mom. And she really appreciated what I said to her, and that was about it. But it's just so crazy that that happened, like, on Mother's Day, and her mom just died of an aneurysm, like, out of nowhere. Like, it's just so sad, and it just breaks my heart. But we just wanted to keep you guys updated. Hey guys, so as of right now, Jevin is getting his haircut. It's day 3 in Miami, and it is not my idea to get his haircut because I love his long hair, but he's been dying to get it cut so he can be more confident in himself. And so I'm going to be surprised. I'm waiting in the car, so I hope I like it, and I hope he likes it. We are going to go to the Art Deco District in Miami on Ocean Drive. I hear a lot of great things about it. We're going to go check out this cute diner. And yesterday we went thrift shopping, and I got a bunch of cute items for only like $11. And so if you check out my Instagram, some of those items will be on there, and I'll have them tagged on there. A little bit about myself. We just travel a little bit and everywhere. We just like to travel when we can. I'm 19, Jevin's 21. We've been dating for about 3 years now. I met him when I was 16. We were best friends, and when I was 18, we moved down to Florida for a year, and we were just like, why don't we just start documenting, you know, where we go? And so now we're starting to do that, and we hope you guys really enjoy this video and our adventures that we go on, and hope that you really like us and enjoy our, yeah. So, yeah, I'm gonna edit that out. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy our adventures that we go on and you stay with us, and we hope to have some support from you guys so we can keep doing this. Check out our Instagrams, my Twitter, same thing, Bailey_Alston, and ciao. We'll see you at the diner. So Jevin just got his new haircut. Styling. We're having some milkshakes.
How do you like it?
I like coffee flavored things, but not coffee. I don't know, Mom, that's weird.